Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your store on the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you move locations, so you need to change your local Sprouts location. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Sprouts app. Next, click on the drop-down menu of where it says your current Sprouts address. Next, click on your address for the local store again. And then this is where you're going to find nearby store locations to you. So with it, choose the nearby Sprouts, then click on Set as My Store, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Sprouts store on the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.